Do you want to learn Japanese from home? Just click the link in our description and sign up for your Japanese online lessons today. Mata ne!
Hi, my name is Leisha. I'm from Ireland, from Dublin actually, and I'm 22. I've been studying Japanese for the past about 7 years part-time. I work in theatre, so while I was in college I did it part-time on the weekends, and I chose to do the 5-week course at Meiji. My main goal when I came here was to improve kind of conversational Japanese, get more practice, as that's something I found really difficult at home. So that was my main goal when I came here. And Meiji was really good about organising a lot of extracurricular activities. We went to language exchanges, met other Japanese students our age that we could speak with and practice more kind of informal Japanese that young people speak. And that was really important for me. So they kind of really facilitated me in that area. Definitely kanji is the hardest thing, especially if you come from a language that uses a Roman alphabet. But it is something I really try to keep at, and it was really important that I come here for that because I got to use it every day rather than just learning it off a random list. Really glad I decided to come to Fukuoka. It's a really nice balance of being not too crowded like Tokyo, but being really lively and having a lot of young people to kind of meet up with and interact with. And the food is also incredible. I've liked pretty much everything I've tried here. They have mentaiko, which is like a spicy kind of cod roe, really nice. Also, what else do they have? Zenzai, a kind of hot red bean soup, which is gorgeous. And then also it's very close to the sea, so all of the sashimi and all of the fish is really fresh here. So I particularly love those kind of special things about Fukuoka. Well, the first kind of really big challenge I had was I was traveling over the weekend to Nagasaki, and when I was getting off my train very tired at the end of my journey, I left my pocket Wi-Fi on the train in the pocket in the seat I was in, and so I was very stressed about that. But within, I'd say, half a day, I got it back from the train staff, and so that was a really kind of lovely memory of Fukuoka. They really helped me out a lot. No, I didn't have any culture shocks. I think that kind of depends a lot on the amount of research you do beforehand and how open-minded you are to unexpected things. And I studied in Kyoto 3 years ago, and before that I wanted to come to Japan for about 5 years. So I kind of spent a lot of time researching. So personally, no, I didn't have any culture shocks. I can't really emphasize enough how good the service was here, both from a teaching side and the admin side. They organised all of my accommodation right from the start, and were also on call all the time to help me if I had any problems with the accommodation. I also had excellent teachers, and when I first got here there was a slight problem with the level. The textbooks weren't really at the right level for what I was looking for, and they managed to fix that within about 48 hours. So both the teachers and the admin work really well together to make sure that it's the right fit for you. My main advice if you're coming to Fukuoka would be not to stay inside and study in your room all the time. It can be a really hard balance to, when you want to do really well in your class, you want to improve your Japanese, but you can learn from a textbook in your home country. You can do that anywhere. You're in Japan for a reason, and I think it's really important to get out there, make friends, have experiences, and speak to local people. So that's the main advice I have, is to just go outside. All the best, good luck, and I hope to see you in Japan.